Scott Stevenson from Birchwood Chevrolet Buick GMC. Behind me is a factory-built Baja-ready truck. This 2025 Colorado ZR2 comes complete with the cowl induction hood, the front fascia, aluminum bash plate. Under the hood, 310 horsepower, 430 foot-pound torque, 2.7-liter turbo, big rims and tires, the 360 camera, available underbody cameras, rock slides, locking differentials front and rear, and storage in the tailgate, all available on the ZR2. Moving to the inside of this beautiful ZR2, we've got a custom interior, memory seating on the driver's side, an 8-inch display which has got multi-view, 11.5-inch touchscreen. You got your heated and cooled seats in the front, as well as your electronic locker switches, multi-drive mode, your wireless charge pad to go with your wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Oh yeah, and we have a sunroof. If you'd like to learn more about the ZR2 from a truck specialist like me, please visit us in-store at Birchwood Chevrolet or visit us online.